Good morning, Chimers, worldwide watchers. Pat Murphy here. Welcome to the Murph Minute. I hope you had an outstanding weekend and you're ready to get the week off to a great start. I want to thank everybody that joined me last night in the awards watch community. It was a great time getting to chat with everybody last night. Okay, I was watching the show The Shark Tank the other night, and it's the show where people come in and pitch their ideas to investors. One of the investors is the owner of the Dallas Mavericks, Mark Cuban. He rejected one of the proposals because he didn't feel the girl had enough passion around what she was doing. He didn't feel as though she was doing enough to reach her goals. And it got me thinking, do you have enough passion for what you're doing to reach your goals? I've got a Chinese fortune cookie that said, nothing in this world is accomplished without passion. So I hope you're passionate about what you do. Stay focused, stay committed. My minute's up. Thanks for watching.